Hi everyone, welcome to KubeCon. We're at the Dagger booth. I'm Solomon Hykes, I'm the co-founder and CEO of Dagger. And we're here talking to all the amazing people at KubeCon about their CI pipelines and how to make them better. So CI pipelines are a source of a lot of pain. One pain in particular is what we call push and pray. You want to change something in your pipeline, you change it, you have to commit, git push, and then wait for the CI platform to run it, and the light is red again, and it's your commit number 40, and so you have to start again. So that loop of improving your pipeline, it takes minutes when it should take seconds. And so one way we solve that problem is with Dagger, you write your CI pipeline as code, and it runs locally in your dev machine. So you can just make a change, run the pipeline, make a change, run the pipeline. So you have that nice development loop of your pipeline, just like you have a development loop for your application. So one feature we're showing here today that is not actually launched yet, we're showing an exclusive top secret demo for 10,000 people. It's a feature called Project Zenith. We have a code name for it, and it's cross-language reusable modules. So if you use Dagger, you're writing your CI pipelines in code. You can do it in Python and Go and JavaScript, so that's great. But what if you have a team writing their pipelines in JavaScript and another team writing their pipelines in Python, but you have to integrate all of those building blocks into one CI pipeline? How to combine these building blocks across languages? So that's this feature we're showing. Each team can encapsulate their ideal build, their ideal test, all the logic of their pipeline in a Dagger module, and then you can combine Dagger modules across language. So that's the feature we're showing today. So one hot topic that I've noticed at KubeCon is security in general, and in particular security of the pipeline, security of the software supply chain. You know, I think for years we've been focused on how do I prevent my servers from getting hacked, and that's important. But now we have supply chain attacks. How do I prevent my dependencies from getting hacked so that I'm deploying hacked software? How do I prevent that? You know, you need to check provenance and everything, scan your artifacts. You need to learn all these new tools and processes. So we're trying to make sure Dagger can really help you do that. You know, you want to improve your CI pipeline to add all these security steps. It should be really easy to do that with a few more Dagger modules. So that's been a really hot topic today. If you want to learn more, come say hi at our booth. We are at KubeCon, or otherwise we have a Discord server that's really fun. If you're into DevOps, CI/CD, you want to talk about how it's going to get better, and it will get better, yeah, come to dagger.io, click on the little Discord icon, and come say hi.